New hit, J.O. Major. It's called Tell Them Niggas Back, man. Watch me 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 tell them niggas back, man. Yeah, I tell them niggas back, man. I talk smack, man, but I don't care if you fucking crank that back, man. I'm not a fan, that's for real. I'm major in this thing, so I'm never standing still. And everybody know who I am when I'm rolling up. Major in this bitch, hell no, I don't give a fuck. So watch me roll left side. I got my boy J.O. on the south side. And watch me crank that back, man. Hell no, fuck that shit, man. I'ma tell you back, man. Come get with it, boy. I'ma get that smack, man. Call it smackdown, bitch, I'm retarded. I ain't retarded for real, I'm just getting started. Come around your boy J.O. and Major Farted. No, we don't ever pass gas, be the shit. And no, we don't even wipe our ass. No, I don't give a fuck who you is or where you stand here. Major in this thing, hell yeah, that's for real. Watch me tell them niggas back, man. 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 Cause I ain't a Batman, I ain't the rat man, I ain't Spider-Man sipping on the scissor. Come around your boy and your boy color purple. Yup, yeah, you know who I is. I don't give a fuck, so you should mind your biz. I don't give a fuck, watch me tell them back up. I don't give a fuck, see your girl, yeah, she gives it up. She got a cup, yeah, it's purple, hell yeah, it's true. Major in this thing, hell yeah, you know what we do. With my boy J.O., yeah, we ain't no fucking hoe. Beat these boys down for show, yeah, we rap so slow-mo. I chop them up, yes, I screw them up, yes, you messing with me, yes, yeah, we be the best. And everybody know where we stand. Okay, wait a minute, come on, watch me crank my back, man. Oh, wait a minute, watch me crank that what? Watch me crank that who? Watch me crank that huh? Watch me crank that what? Watch me crank that who? Let me tell the niggas, man. Watch me crank that back, man. Watch me run them niggas back, man. Watch me tell them niggas back, man. Watch me tell them niggas back, man. Got something in the trunk, make your ass back, man. You get back the fuck up. Know who I am, know you give a fuck. J.O. and vice versa is O.J. Not orange juice, but show you what I do. Cause you come up to me and you call me Brock Lesnar. I'ma tell you something, so bitch you better listen. I ain't Frank Mir, but bitch I'll stomp your toes. You come around your boy and your boy gon' break a nose. Okay, yeah, I might hit you in the shin. You fucking wrong with me, I'll be damned, you come again. Yeah, you know who we is or where we be. I beat your ass down and I don't lay low key. I want you to see me and you can't stand the fit. And Major and awesome.
I thought you would say your name.
Watch me say back, man. Watch me tell them niggas back, man. Watch me tell them niggas back, man. We out. Yeah, smash that.